Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about cost of living vocabulary.
Yes, the English you need when everyday life starts feeling a bit expensive.
Exactly. Cost of living means how much money we need for normal daily life.
Things like rent, groceries, bills, fuel, mortgage repayments, and surprise expenses.
Rent is the money you pay to live in a place.
You can say, my rent has gone up, or rent is getting expensive.
Groceries are the food and household items we buy often.
You go in for bread and milk, and somehow the trolley becomes a financial problem.
True. We can say, grocery prices have gone up.
Or, I'm trying to spend less on groceries this week.
Bills are regular payments we need to pay.
Electricity, water, gas, phone, and internet bills all love arriving together.
Fuel is another common expense for many people.
People say, fuel prices are high, or I need to fill up the car.
If you own a home, you may have a mortgage.
A mortgage is money you borrow from the bank to buy a house.
And mortgage repayments are the regular payments you make back to the bank.
When repayments go up, the bank account can look a little nervous.
A budget is a plan for your money.
You can say, I'm on a tight budget, or I need to stick to my budget.
Expenses are the things you spend money on.
Rent is an expense, groceries are an expense, and takeaway coffee is also an expense.
A small one, but still an expense.
Unless it is Monday morning, then it feels like survival equipment.
Another useful phrase is, I'm cutting back.
That means you are spending less on something.
You might say, I'm cutting back on eating out.
Or, I'm cutting back on unnecessary spending.
We can also say, things are getting more expensive.
Simple sentence. Very useful. Sadly, very popular.
This vocabulary helps you talk about real life clearly.
You can use it with friends, at work, at the shops, or when planning your week.
Listen for words like rent, groceries, bills, fuel, budget, prices, and expenses.
And try to say the sentences out loud, like you are really using them.
Now, let's move into the shadowing practice.
Listen, speak, and let the words feel natural in your mouth.
The cost of living is getting higher.
My rent has gone up this year.
I need to spend less on groceries.
Fuel prices are high again.
My electricity bill was bigger than expected.
I am trying to stick to my budget.
We have to cut back on eating out.
My mortgage repayments have increased.
I compare prices before I buy anything.
I keep track of my weekly expenses.
Transport costs can add up quickly.
I am saving money where I can.
Some things are more expensive than before.
I need to plan my spending carefully.
A simple budget can make life easier.
Well done for practicing today.
Do not worry about memorizing every word.
Just listen again and let the phrases become familiar.
Speak the lines out loud, even if your voice feels quiet at first.
Your confidence grows through small repeats.
Each time you practice, the words feel more natural.
Keep going, one sentence at a time.
See you in the next lesson.